All right, hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Christopher. I help make online marketing as simple and as easy as possible. So today we're going to see on-page optimization, guys. This is something we discussed in the previous video. But what we're going to do is we're going to go in depth on it. And guys, if this is the sort of content that you like, if you're looking to build your own online business, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because there's a lot of value that we're going to be dropping throughout this entire series. All right. So to get started, guys, on-page SEO or on-page optimization is to tell Google what your website is about, what your page is about, right? And it actually helps Google understand, or it helps people engage a lot more with your website. All right. So that's how Google is going to rank your website, depending on how much engagement is coming in from your website. Okay. So as you can see here, guys, will get started. This is where we go ahead and post. You should be familiar with this if you watch my previous videos. So today we're going to try optimizing our page for ClickFunnels, right? ClickFunnel reviews. And reviews, if you don't know, guys, why I chose reviews is more bottom of the funnel content. It's where a lot of people go ahead and make buying decisions. So they go and review articles to see, okay, can I go ahead and buy it? So people have decided to buy something, or they've decided to buy a product in a particular niche, but they're deciding which product should we go ahead with, and that's where they go ahead and check reviews. And that's why reviews have very high conversion rates when you're doing affiliate marketing, especially. So that's why I've chosen reviews as a topic. We're going to see how you can go ahead and find content, or decide what content you want to put under ClickFunnels reviews, right? So this you've gotten your topic ready, you know what niche you're going to target, but you need to know what is the content you want to add there. So in order for you to find the right content, the best way, guys, is to go ahead and check out the top 10 articles coming under that particular topic, right? So if you can see here, 1 2 3, we're going to go through all of these articles over here and see what they have done, right, so that Google has ranked them on in the top 10, right? So say for example, I am going into let's go to the first article. Yeah, so I'll go through a couple of articles and I'll show you what they've done. So over here you can see the topic itself is very catchy: ClickFunnel reviews 2020, legit or overhyped, right? So and you can see there's a ton of content that they've given around each and every subtopic, right? So it's a lot of rich content. What is ClickFunnels? I mentioned what the product does, what ClickFunnels really is. They've also went ahead and spoken about how sales funnels work. So if you saw the relevance method, I spoke about talking about the niche in general. So you can add a lot of content on the niche. So they've talked about sales funnels in general. So that's some really good content you can add around there. So I'm gonna add this to my existing content, how sales funnels work. This is the content that I have already, guys. I've already made this, but I'm just trying to add some content, additional content based on Google rankings, right, to this particular website, to our content website. Yeah, so now we have a couple of topics. So what I've done is I went through the top 10 articles, and I picked out a couple of topics that we would need, that could work really well if we add them to our article, and it has a higher chance of ranking in the top 10 when it comes to Google rankings. All right. So yeah, let's take a look at okay, so now that we have our articles, so let me quickly just copy this and paste it to our blog site over here. right now I'm copying it, I pasted it, and this is how it looks, guys. And over here you can see that this is the appearance of Google, how your article appears on Google, guys. So you want to make it a little more catchy. You want to make sure that people are coming and are going coming and they're clicking on your article. So what can you do? You can add a very catchy keyword. Say for example, I'm gonna put in ClickFunnels reviews, and I'm gonna say this is the title section, right? So I'm gonna put in ClickFunnels reviews. Okay, sorry. So we're gonna replace this part, right? My honest review that will shock you. So this is something that people will like to see. Okay, this is I mean, what is happening. So you want to make it a little clickbaity as well. So this will help people come and view your articles. And like I said, you want to add all these particular segments to your article, guys. So it goes ahead and it improves your optimization, your ability to rank on Google. All right. Okay, adding to this, we'll also see what is happening when we are bringing in different keywords, guys. So we know ClickFunnel reviews is the keyword that we went ahead with for deciding on which article you want, or which articles you want to compare and decide on replicating, because they're the top 10 articles. You want to replicate these articles, but you can also check out similar keywords. So for looking for similar keywords, you want to rank, you can use this website. It's called LSI Graph. Over here I am looking for ClickFunnels reviews, right? And I'm going to get a bunch of similar keywords over here. Yeah, so these are some similar keywords to ClickFunnels reviews. So you can go ahead and even add these keywords to your website, guys. You can add these keywords. You can add a separate, sorry, you can add a separate section on this particular keywords. So ClickFunnels reviews, Reddit ClickFunnels reviews 2018, 2019. So you can go and add that, and this will improve your optimization. This will improve your chance of ranking in the top 10 when it comes to Google searches, guys. All right. And also, guys, make sure, so if you can see all these articles, right? So we went through this. If I'm going through the next article, it has ClickFunnels reviews, ratings. So they have kind of you can see they've okay, this might not be the best article. Yeah, it's a blog. Okay, so you can see they've added a lot of pictures here. It gives out a good representation of ClickFunnels, what it does exactly. And also, another major aspect we need to make sure that we include is, say, for example, you're adding the word ClickFunnel reviews as your keyword, right? It's your major keyword that you want Google to rank you for. Then you need to see how many times this keyword has been used in Google's articles. So let me open this. So let's check here how many times they've mentioned ClickFunnels reviews. So you're just gonna hit Control F and yeah, look for ClickFunnels reviews. They only mentioned it once, guys, over here. And the word ClickFunnels has been mentioned 31 times overall. So that gives you an idea of how many times you can mention ClickFunnels, right? Check for all of the article sites, guys. Check how many times they mention ClickFunnels review. ClickFunnels review is 7 times they mentioned this particular keyword. All right, and the word ClickFunnels has been mentioned 135 times. in this entire article. So ClickFunnels is their major keyword, right? So this is the pattern you want to find, guys. And it doesn't necessarily have to be with one particular keyword. You could rank your website with multiple keywords. So what Google does essentially is you're adding keywords to your website, but I mean to your blog site. But along with that, Google is also ranking your blog site for other keywords as well. It doesn't know which keyword you're focusing on. It can rank your blog site for other keywords as well. So, in order for you to find other keywords, there's this very interesting website that I used to use before getting Ahrefs. Ahrefs is the tool that I use currently. So, it's called LSI Keyword, guys. So what LSI keywords does is it shows you similar keywords to what keyword you are initially using to rank your website. So you can add these similar keywords to get traction from those keywords as well. If someone is looking for that particular sort of content, so you can get traction from that as well. So let's say I'm adding ClickFunnels over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click generate keywords. Okay, hold on. That's what I love about this website, guys. It's completely free. It shows you so much details. It shows you all the data that you need, and it's super simple and easy to use and see. So now you go ahead and say you want to type in this ClickFunnels India in your particular blog site. So you create another segment over here, and you're gonna just literally add ClickFunnels India, keep it as a heading, right? And add the content that you need to add, all right? So once you add this, you can go ahead. So this will be part of your article as well. So whenever someone is looking for ClickFunnels India, they're going to jump into your article. But you need to make sure how many times you're mentioning ClickFunnels India. So you need to again go ahead and do that research, check the top 10 websites that are using ClickFunnels India as their keyword, and try to rank them according to how many times they have mentioned top 10 ClickFunnels India, and then add the similar number of keywords on your article. So you'll start ranking for that as well. Yeah, so this is more or less how you rank your websites through on-page optimization, guys. This is a pretty cool thing to do. Along with the relevance method, if you can start using on-page optimization, that's going to just help you, make a lot of bucks on through blogs, right? So another thing that I wanted to introduce to you guys is the Page Optimizer Pro. This is a paid tool. What this tool does is basically you add the keyword that you want to rank for, and it's a paid tool, so I don't have access to it right now. But you basically add the keyword that you want to rank for, and you add the competitor websites, the top 10 websites, and and also you add your article, the article that you've written over here, right? So you publish this and you add this over here. Then what this tool essentially does is it shows you what are the it shows you what changes you need to be making to this particular to your particular website by comparing it to your competitor websites, and it shows you which keywords you can replace with the competitor keywords. All right, so it's an easy tool. It just makes your manual searching job very easy. You don't have to manually go ahead and look for keywords. It just makes it super simple. All right, so that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for sticking through the video. I hope you got value out of the content that we gave out today, and there's a lot more content to come, guys. I just want you guys to subscribe if you find value through this sort of content, because it supports me and it helps me keep going, guys. And make sure you hit the like button also. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye bye.